Hi, my name is Annie and I'm here to teach you how to wrap the perfect present this Christmas. First, we're going to start with the mad scientist. So we've got a box. And there we have it.